Hey everybody, Thomas here. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful piece of maple. Now I've already attached the metal legs to this and everything. And the story behind this is the maple that we cut that was called the $1 Million Maple. I'll see if I can put a link in the description down below and everything. It's a pretty good video. One of the most beautiful maple logs that I've ever cut up. I mean, it has a beautiful, curl in here. Got some really cool, almost like feathering going on here. It just has a little bit of everything. It's got a lot of different color. This is a swamp maple, a red maple, if you will. And we're gonna go ahead and finish this thing up. So this afternoon, we have someone coming over to take a look at the house. And we've already removed a lot of furniture from the house. And one of the things is like, man, our bedroom looks pretty barren. And I had been meaning to make this piece into something from our wife and everything. So long story short, we're gonna go ahead and make this into our, like a behind the sofa table, but this is actually gonna go into our bedroom so I can put some of our stuff in the bedroom to make the bedroom look better. But as you can see right now, I've already oiled the bottom, so I already kind of know what this is gonna look like. It's gonna look amazing. But we've got these metal legs and everything attached on here. But we're gonna go ahead and sand down this entire surface here. See what that looks like. I've got a little bit of repair work I gotta do here. Looks like it was damaged from a log turner, or that could have even been loading the log or something like that. So anyways, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna do a lot of time lapse. There's gonna be a lot of sanding involved. I'm gonna give myself about a 35-minute window to get this thing worked on, and I think I'm gonna be done with that. So stay tuned. This should be fun. If you saw during the sawmill show, we made up a mantle and everything. We used the same kind of techniques that we did at the sawmill show, but I think y'all will enjoy this. I think we're gonna find a lot of hidden, beautiful features inside here. And look at all that curl down there. I just cannot wait to see what this has to offer. So stay tuned. This should be a fun one. Okay, so I think I'm sticking to my timeline pretty well. That was 34 minutes of sanding on that. And this is absolutely beautiful. I am very happy with it. It's turned out. Now, let's make it really pop. Everyone always asks me, so I'm using mineral oil, food grade mineral oil. If you can see that in the video. This one's a really thin one. I got this from Mr. Robert for this weekend when we did the sawmill show. And he said, go ahead and keep it. So this will be perfect right here. So I've already done this to the bottom side and it looks amazing. But yeah, that's some beautiful stuff. Curly maple. Happy the way this looks. This looks so good. I decided not to fill in these cracks and stuff. I decided, I want to keep it natural. I've done this before and I like the way it looked, and this will work perfect for our application. Again, I gave myself just over 30 minutes to finish this up for the house, and I'm practically there. But yeah, this looks good. Really good. And as you can see, that one area where I had the damage, I cleaned it up pretty well. It looks pretty natural. So no complaints there. It's gonna go ahead and seep the oil in here pretty deep. The kids have found the bubbles. They're going crazy with bubbles. Every kid loves bubbles. Also on this side here, where I'm working right now, I had a flat edge, and I didn't want it, it was the only edge that was kind of flat. So I took the cut saw wheel there, the tool, and rounded this off so it kind of looks like a live edge. I think it looks really nice. And here in a second, when we do a walk around of this, I will show you what this face looks like. This face I'm working on currently is going to be the face that is going to be visible. And then this side that I'm working on currently on the back side here, this is going to be the face that's going to be up against the wall. So I wasn't too concerned about this right here, making it just perfect, but I wanted to make it look uniform, and I think I accomplished that task. Now this is only the first coat of mineral oil. I'm going to come back and put some wax on this, but for right now, I'm going to call this done. I'm going to take this inside, and then I'll apply the final coat inside. But I just wanted to get this, when we showed the house this evening, that it looked, you know, pretty snazzy in the bedroom. And boy, does this look good. This piece right here, oh, this is gorgeous. This front section right here is, I think, one of the best looking parts of it. And again, we'll show you this one second. But again, for those of you who came out to the Sawmill Show, I do greatly appreciate it. I had a blast meeting each and every one of you. As you know, I like to talk. Mr. Roberts said his talk was wore out. I had a decent amount of energy at the end of the show. And then as soon as I came inside from the show, my youngest son threw up on me. That was awesome. And then whatever he had, I caught on Sunday. And then Monday, and then today's Tuesday, I've been kind of sitting here at home, not feeling the best. Little stomach bug, but I'm over the bad part. The bad part was Sunday night and Monday. Today was not too bad. Yeah, this turned out awesome. I think my wife's gonna really enjoy this. I've been meaning to do this for a while, so yeah, she'll enjoy this. Now I'm not going to have, like I said, the final coat on here, so it won't have that final sheen. See bubbles going by, but it'll be good enough to put it inside. All right, so let me reveal this other side to you. So look at that. Look at all that curl and everything. I mean, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. Y'all go over there, okay? But yeah, this turned out amazing. Look at that. That is fantastic. Absolutely amazing. So I got someone here at the gate, so I'll let you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe.